Hey, what's up YouTube? What's cracking, guys? Rules for Rebels here. In today's video, I just wanted to make you guys aware of a Printful feature that you may not be aware of. Now, Printful is now allowing you to print your own label on the inside of the t-shirt. You know, where the tag would normally be, where those tearaway tags for, say, your Bella Plus Canva shirt may be. They can tear out the tag and actually print your brand, your company, your logo, whatever it is you want on the back of the t-shirt. Now, my initial reaction to this was, wow, what a fucking ripoff. But upon further thought, like if somebody's actually trying to create a clothing line or actually trying to create a brand, this could be fairly interesting. Now, I know print on demand is obviously hugely popular. It's awesome that we can start little apparel companies, start little fan art companies, all different types of things without having to carry any inventory. But the one downside has always been like, oh, but you're just a print on demand business. So with this new feature, you're able to kind of come across as a real brand. And I know a lot of people getting into print on demand and t-shirts and things like that are just looking to make a quick buck. They're not necessarily trying to necessarily create like a whole brand with a brand image. But if you're trying to be the next Fat Farm like Damon John, or if you're trying to be the next Ed Hardy, you can see I'm kind of dating myself. I don't really keep up with fashion trends, so I'm not really sure what the hot new fashionable overpriced t-shirts are. But if that is what you're trying to do, if you're trying to be a fashion brand or something like that, it's a little bit more professional. You come across a little bit more like a brand, actually having your company printed on the back of the t-shirt. People don't necessarily know that this is the Bella Plus Canva or an American Apparel shirt. All they see is your brand on the shirt. So this may have been around at the end of last year. I'd never really paid attention to it. But as they say right here, looking for a way to highlight your brand, it's easy to add an inside label with your logo. Inside labels are the perfect option to show off your brand colors since they're printed on the inside of the garment in place of the original manufacturer's tag, and you can customize them with your logo. They are only available for tearaway shirts. So we'll take a look over here at what the tearaway designs are in a second here. And it costs $2.49. So my initial reaction to this was like, wow, what a ripoff. With a Bella Plus Canva shirt at, what is it, $12.95 plus $5 shipping, we're at a $17.95 base price. Like, that's not cheap, right? But at the end of the day, I think being able to come off as a real brand might let you get away with selling that $25, $30, $35 t-shirt. Whereas if you're just doing print on demand, it's like, really, I paid $35 for a print on demand Bella Plus Canva shirt. So potentially you're adding more than $2.49 in perceived value. As far as how to add these, and again, maybe this has been around for longer, and I just haven't noticed it. When we're designing shirts within Canva, we have the front, the back, the left sleeve, the right sleeve, the outside label, and now we also have an option for an inside label. So they do have templates that you can make and use. Let's see, template. You just need to upload your logo to our template, and the specific variant info, size, country of origin, etc. Will be printed automatically when an order is made. Custom template, you can create your own design, but need to manually keep track of and update mandatory info for all product variants you add. We hope this makes it even easier for you to highlight our brand. Let us know if you have any questions. So if we go over to shirts that this is available on, it's available on the Bella Plus Canva 3001, which is what I normally use. Yeah, the margins are better on Gildan, but I'm just not really happy with the quality of Gildan t-shirts. And as you can see here, it's offered in limited colors. The Bella Plus Canva 3413 is a little bit of a better quality shirt, but I think the 301 is more than good enough. We have the Anvils, which are a nice shirt, but the Anvils cost more than the Bellas. Next Level, I've never ordered those, and then we got the Bella Plus Canva 3005 V-neck. We got the Anvil V-neck. And we got the Anvil lightweight ringer t-shirt. So these are all the shirts that this relatively new feature is available on. Just wanted to make you guys aware of it. Until I saw this email come through, if it's been around for a while, I never noticed that this was an option. But again, for any of you guys who are trying to do more than maybe just sell novelty t-shirts, who are actually trying to come up with a line, this could be a great way to get started. Now, eventually you will want to move up to ordering your own inventory because A, it's going to give you much better margins, but B, we are somewhat limited to the products that we can offer on Printful. I know there's a lot of people out there who are looking to start their own, kind of athletic wear lines. And unfortunately, Printful, Custom Cat, none of these guys really have athletic T-shirts or like sweat wicking T-shirts, so we are kind of limited. But this could be a good way to kind of get your brand off the ground, so that you can, maybe later expand into actually carrying inventory. So. If you guys aren't using Printful already, if this is something that you want to sign up for, I'm going to drop my affiliate link down in the description box below. If you're going to sign up anyways, I make a couple bucks if you use my link. If you want to support my channel that way, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoyed this video, if I taught you something new, please hit that thumbs up button. If any of you guys are currently or are already using this feature, go ahead and drop a comment. Let us know what you think of it. And for any of you guys who aren't, what's your initial thoughts? Like, is this $295 or $249? Is it a ripoff? Like, it's kind of stupid to have even smaller margins just to have that custom label, or do you think it's something where maybe you're going to pay the extra $249, but maybe you'll be able to charge an extra $4 or $5 or $10 per t-shirt because it's a little bit more branded, it's a little bit more custom. Let me know your thoughts on that. Drop a comment in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later, guys.